Hello friends, welcome to tnpsc channel. I am your friend. My name is Nitish Ravendra. Today we are going to see about type of angle. So, what is angle? A figure formed by two rays with a common point is called an angle. There are many types of angle. Now I am going to explain one by one. First, acute angle. Its definition is greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Next, right angle. Its definition is exactly 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle. Its definition is exactly greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Next, straight angle. Its definition is exactly 180 degree. I hope you all understand.